ಓಕೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು, ನಾವು ಯೂಶಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಳೆದ ಜೂನ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಮೈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಮೈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಮೈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾರ್ನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸರ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದಂತಹ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್. ಇದರ ಒಂದು ಮೈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕವನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿಕಾಸ್ ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು ಸ್ಟೇಟೆಡ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಬಾಲು ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ MCPಗಳು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೂನು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಮೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗಿವನ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ MCPಗಳು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೇನು ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಪಲ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಟುಡೇ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಏನ್ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸದವರೆಗೂ ಅದೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇವತ್ತು ಆ ದಿನವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ 10,000 ಖರ್ಚು 10,000ವಾಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್, 10,000 ಫಸ್ಟ್ UPV ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ 10,000 ಏನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ 10,000 ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಲ್ದೆ ಆ 10,000ಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಂತಹ GG ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಆ GG ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ರಿಯಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಡೇ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾರ್ನರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಈ ಅನ್ಲಾಕಿಂಗ್ ದ GG ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ವೈಟೆಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾರ್ನರ್ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಕಾಸ್ ಸರ್. ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ವಿಕಾಸ್ ಸರ್ ಟು ಅನ್ಲಾಕ್ ದಟ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅವರೇ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಯಿಂದಾನೇ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಅನ್ಲಾಕಿಂಗ್ ದ GG ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ, ನೀವೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸರಿನೂ MCP ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. So now I request Vikas sir to do the honor.
Okay, so should I do it?
Yes, sir.
We have been waiting for it from a long time.
So it's a simple process. I need to just capture this and drag this to this thing. Done. Congratulations.
Thank you. Okay. So thank you very much, sir. So now I request our CMD. Before that, I request our national head sir to say a few words. Sir.
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ 100 ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇರ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ದೇವರಾಜ್ ನೀವು 100 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂದರ್ಭ. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಅನ್ಲಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್, the GG coins. And I only wish that you are able to unlock your 30 lakh GG coins at the soonest possible, because that is the true worth of what my circle is all about. I hope and pray that all of you become part of this wonderful process where you're getting money. First of all, you're getting money. You're getting your money's worth at the cheapest prices possible. Then you're getting the kind of services that all multinationals can give you. Then you're getting cash back. And then you get the opportunity of participating in a contest like this where your money multiplies by God knows how many times. Well, I leave you my very best wishes, and I do hope that very soon we will have the pleasure of all of us joining together for the 30 lakh rupees coin opening ceremony also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ramesh sir. In this occasion, I would like to recognize the presence of First Lady of Global Garner, Tanushree Madam. Tanushree Madam, welcome on behalf of Global Garner. So you are first time you are coming to our Karnataka meeting. Thank you, Madam. And also, I would like to recognize all the state head and the head office staff. So welcome everyone. So now I would like to request our CMD Vikas sir for a few words. Vikas sir, over to you.
Okay, thank you, Deva. Thank you and congratulations. When you said first lady, I thought, I don't know whom you are addressing to. Okay, but firstly, I would like to congratulate Team Karnataka on today's achievement. But yes, yesterday also you did one big achievement pan-India. I think it was my dream to see someone selling UPAs in bulk. And the lady, I think she sold 5 UPAs in a day. And that was a good number. That was a good news for all of us. And it is congratulations to Deva and team. It was a simple, superb performance. I have always been a believer of making your own experiences. I think this is the right way to approach our team. To create our own experiences where we say, I know Deva, and Deva has converted his real GG coins into real money. Correct? Anybody can go to Deva's house and see, yes, he has done it or not. If we say somebody in UP is doing that, somebody in Jalandhar has done that, it makes no sense to us, right? So it is always very important to create your own experiences. Until unless we, like, let's say why Zoom has been so popular. We have never seen an ad of Zoom, no? It is we who have made them so big. And how we have done that? We have first experienced ourselves. We have experienced ourselves, we got to know about its benefit, and therefore we told everybody. So I think this is the right platform to establish that, connect with everyone, that we need to create our own experiences. Today we are converting 10,000 coins. Tomorrow I would like to participate in all 70 lakh coin when we are converting them. So Deva, I think it's a promise from you that every time you want to convert, I will convert that for you.
Yeah, sir. Sure, sir. I will promise on behalf of Karnataka.
Yes, and I really wish before even we hit March 2022, you should achieve that. I think you have just started the circle and you are on 4th this thing. So it is just a number game which is about to happen. And next 2-3 months, I think you will be able to achieve it. But before March 21, I would like 1 crorepati from Karnataka at least. Immediately you do that, right? By rest, I think this is a big day for all of us, where we now look. When we started, it was only a belief system that was there. Now we are seeing that what we were saying is in reality. People would have thought 10,000 GG coins will never get converted, but we have seen there are not one. I think there are now almost 10 to 11 people who have converted their coins into real money by now, which is good. Of course, Deva is celebrating in a big way. I think he's more inspired by Raman Bhaiya, where Raman Bhaiya says that we should celebrate everything. And I'm really happy to see that there are more than 100 people. I think because it got logged, therefore we cannot have more people joining in. But it is good number that is such a small event. But of course, this is establishing the big connect with all of us, where we see, yes, this is happening. It is just like we are teaching our kid to walk. It is not that we ask them to walk immediately and run immediately. Once that first step is taken by our kid, when he takes that step all alone, is the day when he starts thinking of running. So I think that this today's event will establish that connect, and everybody in this team will start earning and converting this GG coin into real money through my circle. With this, I end this, but I think this is a new beginning for all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. We have small celebration also. It means we usually every week we will just celebrate our success in every week. Whatever the success of last week, I would like to announce that also in all your presence. Before that, I would like to tell you something, sir. In Karnataka now, the 216 UPVs completed first circle. 216 UPVs completed first circle. So 36 UPVs completed second circle, and 6 UPVs completed third circle. So it means 6 UPVs got 3,500 each, 36 UPVs got 1,500 each, and 216 UPVs got 500. And also we are going on now. Almost all, even fourth circle, fifth circle also it is started. There also we tagged more than 100 UPVs now. And as
now you can just to add, you can just say tell now people that this is the ROI that we are giving on expenses.
Yes, sir. Now we are telling all the UPass owners, don't worry about your investment. Purchase your UPass and give your UPVs. Within 1 year, we will give you that amount back. And this My Circle is started in June. And here I want to mention some special names here. Definitely all our MCPs, all our MCPs are putting lot of effort to complete this UPass. Especially Sandeep Vijayan and Sridhar G. Reddy. These two people are taking care of entire circle. So every day tagging, where to do, how to do everything. These people are putting the effort. Thank you very much, Sandeep and Sridhar, for your cooperation to complete our circle. And definitely we will receive more and more money as we promised before starting to the circle. When I asked Vikas sir, we want to start this circle in Karnataka, he told me, Deva, please you show me at least half circle. You show me half circle. People are not understanding what is the My Circle. Really, we understood, sir. Definitely, this is the main tool for Global Gardener, and My Circle is the main key for Global Gardener, and people will definitely get. And also, I would like to invite some people here because so many people got so much of money. First, I would like to invite.
Initially, I must honestly say I was against him buying a professional UPass. I told him, no, first get into the basic one and then you get into the professional one. But he was very stubborn and he got into it. But now I see that he is very much interested and motivated because of that. And I'm really glad that he took up that decision. And I hope it will be good for him and the company as well. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. And I would request our ACP, Mr. Shankar. He is having a highest UPVs. His initial stage he purchased UPass. Mr. Shankar. Okay.
Sir, actually my 9 UPVs got completed first circle, and I was very happy about that. First of all, thanks. Now I'm just I wanted to speak to Vikas sir first time. After a long time, the first Kautalya program I had spoken to him. Now I'm very happy that I'm in the meeting today. And sir, to tell you, my 9 UPVs every day, one every like 5 days, all the 9 UPVs got 500, first circle. My first circle completed. Thank you very much. Now I'm getting more hopes. I've given, I think I've got another 10 more UPVs to be given to the thing. What do you say, to Karnataka team.
Okay. Thank you, Shankar.
Thank you very much, sir. Yes,
Thank you very much. Over to Sandeep.
Okay. Thank you very much, stated sir. Respected CMD Vikas sir and no. Okay. So we have been mainly because the integral part of this UPV tagging team. I just want to share a few experience. Many people ask, ಇದು ದಿನ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್, ನಮಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ ತುಂಬಾ ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತು. Mean like I've been waiting for many days. I have not got 500 rupees yet. But once when this UPV starts paying, all the UPVs of whatever the UPVs you give has been seen. Because I think, as Shankar sir was telling, Mr. Shankar, because he had around given 9 to 10 UPVs initially, but he had not received anything. But once when he started getting, all his 9 UPVs got. Rajneesh ji also same thing, around 22 UPVs. 22 UPVs into 500 rupees. Now 22 UPV into 1000 rupees, 22 UPV into 3500 rupees. So just imagine 22 UPV to 1 crore, 22 crore in one shot. So this is what this as a collective team can perform. And whenever somebody asks me, I only say that patience pays. So if you can just wait and patiently wait for some days. I think we have named our Karnataka circle also. We have a beautiful name called Namma Circle. It is our circle. So our circle every day, one thing what we want is just to tell for an information of our CMD sir, every day one person in Karnataka is getting some cash back in the form of GG money every day. That is the beauty of our circle. So thank you very much, first of all, for designing such wonderful concept and giving to us. We are thankful to you for this wonderful My Circle concept. And coming to Manaswini madam, what to tell about her? She is a rock star. And to bring this rock star, of course, there was also one more rock star, Satyanarayan sir. I won't take much about this. I think I invite directly our channel partner who brought Manaswini madam into our Fortune family. So Satyanarayan sir, ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಬಹುದು. You can unmute ಮಾಡಿ. So ನೀವು ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ Manaswini madam na. Whether he is there inside or he is also outside. Satyanarayan sir,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, Vikas Rao, sir. Good evening, Ramesh Mayatavi, sir, and our state head, Mr. Devraj, sir, and Sandeep, sir. It is my pleasure, Manaswini madam as a SCP. From the beginning, she is a one goal. First of all, I want to finish my shareholding in one shot. She is her dream. I want to become a shareholder. So from the beginning, she is in that dream only. By doing efforts and doing clarification and with the help of support of our state head and our Sandeep sir, our mentor, our leader, she finished in one day, one shot. She made a historical in India. In one day, 5 UPOs sold and she became a shareholder. It is a history created. It is my pleasure in my team. She as a ACP. And coming day, I will give one more historical news within 4 to 5 days. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for giving us such opportunity. Congratulations, madam, on behalf of Namma Karnataka and on behalf of GG Karnataka.
Manaswini madam, over to you for a few words.
Thank you all GG team, sir. Especially Vikas, I want to tell something. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Inspiring of your Ask Vikas, Kautilya. Whatever I attend the classes, I got inspired. And this concept never been done before, never been done. Sir, this the My Circle or whatever we expenditure we are putting as an investment in Global Garner. This is the first word I tell to anybody. I never expected this. I already told the people, and one day they came. Yesterday also, I expected 4. Suddenly, I finished 1. So people are nobody don't know. Everybody is interested. Everybody is interested. But the time being, they have to come to that. That's it. And in our Karnataka team, most help to me, Satyanarayan sir and Sandeep sir and Devraj sir. Anytime I call in the night or morning, anytime. Very clearly, they were patiently guiding me. That's why I am thankful to everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. So, ಇದು Manaswini madam ಅವ್ರ ಮಗನ್ಗೆ ಇವರು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದೇ ದಿವಸ 5 ಯುಪಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ 10 ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾರ್ನರ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಗಾರ್ನರ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ he'll be happy and he will enjoy the fruits of this in future. Congratulations Vinay also. Okay, next one is, and so today only we made one more history in Karnataka. Today morning So Karnataka, I don't know about other states, but for Karnataka, definitely it is a record. So we have one person is having highest UPVs in Karnataka. So he is having just 73 UPVs. The one single user is having a 73 UPVs. That is none other than our master channel partner, Mr. Neelakantappa.
Thank you, Deva. In fact, when I attended first presentation by CMD Vikas Rawat, and when I was told one UPV can give you 1 crore, it was difficult for me to believe and understand, is it a reality, as a true, or is it going to really happen? But when in April, when I started, I wanted to experience myself, because that's what a CMD said, experience is the best teacher for us. So when I started using myself and created around 2-3 UPVs in May, and first my UPV was crossed, first circle, I got 500 rupees cashback. Then I realized, yes, it's working out. Because I saw that money, instantly I transferred it to my bank account to realize that's a real money. So then I realized, yes, it's working out. So now I have 73 UPVs. All these UPVs, let it take 10 years. That is what I was talking to one of my friend. He quickly understood. He said, suppose if I get 10 UPVs, let it come after 10 years, 10 crores, my daughter is going to enjoy it. I said, wow, that's a wonderful way of looking at it. So now I got 73 UPVs. That's only for me, and my wife has 4 UPVs and totally 77 UPVs. Let it take 10 years, 15 years, and I'm going to get 77 crores. That's something after 9 circle. That's something amazing. Even if I forget about the GG coins, even if I get 30 lakh each, just getting the GG money, that will be around 24 crores. So let me tell you, friends, I had come to Bangalore 20 years back, started my career, started my own company 15 years back. All that I earned in my life is around 2 crore worth of property that I done as of today. That's it, nothing else. Now let me tell you what I'm spending with that after 10 years, or 5 years, if I'm going to make this money as 73 crores, never imagine in my life. I think that is something, what the vision that our CMD has got. I think it's something amazing. Also, it doesn't stop there. And an average, let me tell you, I spend around 10 to 12 lakhs every, my domestic spend is around 10 to 12 lakhs every year. That means on an average, I spend around 10 UPVs every month, and 120 UPVs in my next 10 years. That will be around 1,200 UPVs I will generate in next, 10 years. Just imagine our, our chief mentor, Ramesh Bhatave sir and Raman sir, when they're talking about the bigger picture. Now I can realize after 10-15 years, even if I make 1,200 crores, but tell me which business would have got me this opportunity. Really, it's just an amazing thing that can happen to us. So our 20 years I worked, very hard, with all my effort. I could only make around 2 crores worth of property. But now, just by doing my own spending, I'm going to earn 100 crore or 500 crore, 1,000 crores. Don't you think, guys, it's a big picture? I think that is what is, I'm able to relate now what we are talking about, a bigger picture in life. Thank you so much. And I wish everybody will, create more UPVs and, enjoy more benefit from Global Guard. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Neelakantappa. Thank you very much. Friends, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Before closing, I just want to.
I'll request all whoever have got money from Nama Circle, kindly post it in the chat box. Whatever money, it is 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, whatever you have got, please put what was your earning in the chat box. Please put it in the chat box.
One more thing I can suggest, put it on Facebook. Your
sir, this is live. This is live on Facebook also.
Yes. You can put it. Please put it on Facebook also. yeah, that is also.
Okay, great. 8,050. Yes, come on. Yeah, over to you, sir. We will, by that time it will be coming.
Vikas sir, so now you have to be very careful, sir, because the biggest threat will come from the insurance companies, sir. You know why? Insurance companies. Because, see, normally insurance, what people are doing is to save for the future, they put 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 like that every year and wait for 10, 15 years just to get 2 times or maybe 3 times. But now we are just spending for our own needs, which will definitely get within 3-4 years more than what is expected. So I'm sure like all the insurance companies will be against you. So please be prepared for that.
Don't worry.
So friends,
by that time, I'll be 9 lakh people.
Friends, yes, this is what I want to say. See, people are trying to save for future. I used to always tell this in every session whenever Vikas sir comes out with his UPV section. in my right from my childhood, people were telling, okay, don't spend, save, save, save. Now Vikas sir is the only person who has given us opportunity so that we can tell our children that, okay, spend maximum, spend how much ever you want, because that will be your future.
Global Garner, huh?
Yeah, of course. That will be your future. Thank you once again, sir, for such a beautiful opportunity and such a creative mind behind this, sir. Thank you.
Okay, MCPs, Rao sir, Larven.
Eva, none of the generally when we
No
do
one's
any seminar, the number goes down drastically when we say bye.
Yeah, sir.
Today only you have lost only 4 people.
No, sir. Still the people, because some people want to join. No, because see, even yesterday also Sanjay Bhaiya was telling, जब तक विकास जी रहेगा उस टाइम तक नंबर कम नहीं होगा.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, आप लोग का अपना वाइब्रेशन है, ये तो आप लोग मेरे पे डाल देते जबरदस्ती हर चीज.
Deva, can I say one line?
Yeah, please.
Sir, there is because there is a small side effect in my home. Now every day I go home, both my wife and daughter is planning to buy something new because I told them 100% cashback. Every day there is something new they're planning to buy.
Good. No, buying is actually a very big stress reliever. If you know scientifically also, when you buy something, it reduces your stress. So it is good.
Okay, Rao sir.
And moreover, you are helping Indian economy to grow. The more you spend, the economy grows.
Experience is something different. We will do this My Circle across 187 countries. Don't worry. Just be with me, ride with me, and we will ride across the world. We'll make My Circle sitting here in Canada also. Then Deva will add someone in Canada and USA also in his circle.
Okay, Rao sir.
Yeah. See, my experience is very great, sir. Like I used to keep alarm for wake up call. Now every day morning I get wake up call of currency coming in. Global Garner wake up call. Suddenly the money will come and I will get alarm. So that is my great experience.
Okay.
It's really awesome.
Thank you, Larven.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Vikas sir and Ramesh sir and Raman sir and Tanushree ma'am. And good evening to the rest of the entire Karnataka team. There is no words to express because everybody have spoken. So all we can say is that in Corona crisis, because there is a saying, there is always light at the end of the tunnel, and that is what we felt when we were down completely in our business, and we were looking for what is next. And this came as a very big opportunity. Now we are trying to pull in every of our business into Global Garner and see how we can take it globally. So that is something gratitude which we have to thank Mr. Vikas. And one of our ACP, where we had a almost 7-hour session yesterday in Bangalore. So he was saying like Vikas is like a god. At the time of this kind of situation, as somebody is innovating something like, it is like reincarnation, something like that he was telling. He was having tears during his words last when he was promoted as a director for his during his daughter's wedding. He had tears in his eyes, which we didn't know. He was sharing that yesterday. That's when he said, if he was in front of you, he would have hugged you. So that is something great, and we are very confident. One or the other day, as Mr. Neil said, maybe a couple of years down the line, we are all at least 1 crore rich through Global Garner alone, each one of us. So big salute to you, and hope to see you soon in person to convey our regards and gratitude in person. That you will understand our love, what we have towards you and the rest of the family.
Thank you.
Thank you for that.
And now even I am copying your hairstyle.
Yours is temporary, mine is permanent. I follow every week I shave it.
No, actually, this is a better hairstyle.
Yeah, I don't have to comb actually. Just bath and just move on. Dress up and move on.
Tension-free hairstyle.
Maintenance free, yeah.
Okay, so many MCPs also didn't get the chance to come in. Okay, so in any other MCPs here?
As one last word to add, as Mr. Deva said, you are going to get at least a couple of surprises before the end of month from us itself. and which Mr. Deva knows. So we will surprise you, and we will start surprising more and more.
Good. Thank you.
Prasanna sir. Prasanna sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening, Vikas sir.
Yeah. Hi.
Good evening, everyone. Hi, sir. Sir, when we did that Independence Day program, I was comparing and I was telling that it started trickling and the floodgates will open in the future, and it's happening, sir, now. And we are happy to see that Deva has converted his gold coins, and we are sure that we will be following suit. And thank you for this opportunity for bringing us in all this together. And though we are in a remote place, we are enjoying this very much. And thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Krishna Mohan.
He's the most excited person. He's missing, I think.
Krishna Mohan.
He's the most excited person for the GG cash and GG money.
So he is the next person to achieve that. Krishna Mohan.
Acha. The coin box.
Yeah. Krishna Mohan. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇದಾರೆ. Okay, so I think Rajneesh joined now. Rajneesh, so we want your experience. Rajneesh Saralaya.
Namaste, sir.
Namaskara.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Sir, first of all, thanks to Gigi and Vikas, sir, and all the team members. In Karnataka, I have purchased the UPOS, and because of that, my UPV is 22 count. And through all those UPVs, various amounts, I have received back 8,050 rupees. That's a great thing. I never expected this. This is within a span of about 3 months, from June.
It's an 85% ROI, as I see from the financial background.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. And I have referred about 70 members already. Sir, and one more thing is that today's experience, I had been to a big bazaar, and whatever my earlier wish was there, which I could not, I was hesitant to purchase, now open to purchase. By profession, I am a purchaser. So my purchasing for myself has started now. And today at a big bazaar, there was one material which had 80% off. Sir, the material was worth 2010, and 80% was there. And moreover, through UPOS agency, I received some more percentage of commission also. So it came up to 400, I suppose. So that was a great experience. Thanks.
Okay.
Thank you.
And at Big Bazaar, I could able to prepare the on the spot voucher also. It took me around 10 minutes.
ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮೋಹನ ಯಾರ್ದು ಹಿಂದೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. Okay, Rajneesh.
It took me around 10 minutes at billing place, because some this amount I had to prepare. I had the balance, so within 5 to 10 minutes I could able to pass the billing. So fine, sir. Thank you. It's a great boost and good experience.
Thank you, Rajneesh. Sir, Vikas sir, thank you for the new system. We are getting vouchers in a fraction of second, not minutes, fraction of second. So Krishna Mohan, ಎಲ್ರಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಮ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಸರ್, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ, ಹೆವಿಲಿ ರೈನಿಂಗ್. ನಾನು ಆಗಿಂದಾನೇ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
Sir, good evening, sir. Krishna Mohan here, MCP. I am very happy.
Not liking Krishna Mohan. I was told that you are not liking about what is cashback and this thing. You are not convinced now. Why? What is this?
Sir? Hello, sir.
Deva just told me that you are not happy about cashback and GG coins. What is that?
I think Deva is lying, because the next turn is mine, sir. Rajneesh is from my team only, because my
people, my CP and ACP, they are all motivating me every day, each and every day. They don't allow me to sleep also nowadays. And every day morning when that sound comes, no, in training also you told me that beep sound. And
Right.
nowadays it comes continuously. Yesterday I was counting. Yesterday I received cashback 71 times.
Oh,
71 times. And today I could not count. And now in the evening I am counting
okay.
how many times it came.
Wow.
So it becomes a motivation for me to work again and again and again. So the same thing will continue, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I hope that this cashback is the main motivation for all of us to work more, motivate more people to join Global Garner. And we do the same. Thank you, sir.
Sure. Surely we'll do that.
Thank you, Krishna Mohan. Arun idara? Arun? Arun, over to you.
Nothing. I have nothing to tell.
Experience
And I was just
I think Arun should be given credit for all this thing, whatever is happening in Karnataka.
Yeah, that is the reason, sir. He is the main initiator of Karnataka Global Garner.
I will not say he is the main initiator. I will say he was the first dreamer who actually thought that we will, like, whatever we are saying, that it is correct. So I think he is the biggest visionary among us who can visualize. Look, if it is my baby, I can, any time of the day, I can say this is going to happen. But for someone other than me who can visualize this, I think that person is a bigger visionary than me. Because while creating, I know what I'm creating. But that vision, just I think Arun stayed with us only for 2 days, right, Arun?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And in just 2 days, he was like, we have to do it.
Yes,
sir. Still I remember after coming from Ahmedabad, he called me from Ahmedabad, sir, I'm coming back. I told you, you're supposed to come after 2 days. He told, no, I'm coming back. I have some work. So he came and I went to airport. He told, sir, you have to meet Vikas Rawat once. I told, no, I'm not interested. He said one word, he is the future Ambani of India. So you have to meet him. I don't know what is the concept, but we should meet him.
I really hope that this vision also get accomplished.
Definitely, sir. Arun, whatever Arun wishes will come true, sir. Because
sure, it will happen, sir.
Person, that will come true very soon.
Sure,
Arun,
it will
over
happen,
to you
sir.
for few words.
Thank you.
I have no words to say because I am not in an active part, and even my video is not proper actually.
Your video is getting more active now.
Yes, sir. I wish everybody gets their first first crore within next 6 months, as we waste within first 9 months, which everybody should be getting 1 crore. That will happen, and with this speed, it is going to happen. I am sure, sir. Sure. Thank you for your concept and your vision, and we are all with you at all times.
Thanks for believing also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Devaraj. Thanks,
Thank you, Arun. Thank you very much. Okay, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ವಿಕಾಸ್ ಸರ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ. ಹಲೋ ದಿಲೀಪ್, ನಿಮ್ ಹೆಸರೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ. Dilip, privilege to you. Sorry, I didn't see.
No issue. Vikas sir, good evening.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
Okay. Sir, initially when we attend your presentations, and myself, Dero sir, and Shri, we used to see our user app. We used to get a 1 digit for pay electricity bill, get 1 digit. Then it became 2 digit, 3, 4 digits. But when we complete our 9th circle, we are completing only 8 digits of our total value. Is you're taking that UP out from the circle? Is there any plan to increase that level?
You can create another UPV and get into it, no? There has to be some end, because else system will get unstable. I need to also ensure that system gets stability also, no? Because it has to last for generations to come. So it has to have a stability. If God would have given us endless life, just think of what will happen to this earth. So everything has to have an expiry date.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Dilip, you are talking to the brain of this system. So you need to think and talk.
Devraj sir?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, Rupashri madam, please. Yeah.
Sir, 1-2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಖಂಡಿತ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Yeah, thank you.
I think Deva, what you have done is you have kept Arun on the spotlight. Therefore, others are not visible.
Okay, sir. Okay, sure.
Just
I'll
remove
just
that spotlight.
change this. I'll just cancel the passport.
Yeah, now ma'am is visible to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I wanted to convey to you earlier also. I wanted to tell you, but then I thought it was a formal setup. Let me not talk about it. Ramesh is my brother, and during the period he took up this professional thing, he was under the period of layoff. He was being laid off by his company, and we as a family were very much worried because he has a family. He's a family of 4 people. His wife is a homemaker, and he has 2 kids, small. He has very young kids. So we were all worried how his life is going to be in future. But after the global Ghana and hats off to your excellent brains, sir, we are secured now. We are very much comfortable, and we are very much happy that he's settled and he's very much in a safer hands with global Ghana. Thank you so much for this superb concept and very good idea, sir. I'm thankful to you. He has not slept for so many days. In fact, as soon as my husband Ratnakar told him this idea, brought him this concept, he has not slept for 2-3 days thinking about this and working on this. He has researched on this app so much that I don't think we all can understand his thoughts now. He is beyond all that now, I feel. So thanks to you. I just wanted to tell all this earlier, but since it was a formal setup, I thought if there is a chance, I'll talk later.
Thanks, ma'am. I think all your well wishes are helping us to grow also. I think this is the real essence of Global Ghana, that we are very much people connected company. So all these wishes are heard by, I think, God. Initially, we thought of having some investor and this and that, but I think God had different plans. He never wanted us to part from our company, and therefore he helped us to. And today we are not even cruising at a great pace, but we are getting good people. The best part of Global Ghana is that we are now connecting with really good people who have a right vision. So thank you, ma'am, for being part of our family. And together we will surely make this happen. Thank you, ma'am.
One last word on behalf of GG Karnataka, I would like to ask. In fact, I would like to request extend this shareholding, option till December at least.
We will extend, but with
we as a team, Global Ghana India will make sure that 10,000 shareholders are on board. Because the momentum has started picking up, and we are almost at the end of another 10 days. So it is something which is worrying for us, and we guarantee you that we can give you 10,000 shareholders if you can extend it at least.
We will surely extend it, but with new terms, because I think we have discussed it a lot. But there will be new terms for the new shareholding, because we also need to respect the people who have worked for in dark, right? Because anyways, Deva will be part of that core committee to decide these targets. So I think Deva will pull us down on the targets.
Yeah. So that's a request from our team. Thank you.
Surely. And we also are looking forward to have 10,000 shareholders, because this will bring our more and more, like this is also my personal wish to have 10,000 shareholders. Why? Because once we bring the IPO, these 10,000 shareholders, if they even multiply by 10 and tell people to buy our shares, we are the India's biggest IPO.
True, very true.
So it is our interest. Yes, we get these 10,000, and this will be a huge company. I'm telling you, just mark my words. This is going to be huge, and it is not that we are talking 40 years down the line. Next 5 years down the line, we will be something which world will watch.
Very true, and we are very confident, and we have started visualizing that already.
And that I can see also.
Thank you. Sir.
Thank you, sir.
On this occasion, I would like to recognize the presence of our CMD support, Tanisha Sabarwal. Madam.
Sandeep here. It's more a technical question only on regarding.
Before Sandeep, you say anything, I think one thing I can watch for, when I met you first time,
yeah,
your eyes were on question mark.
Okay.
I'm very good at reading people. Today, what I see in your eyes is real trust. I can really tell you that the day when we met, it was like, ठीक है, बीवी ने बोला है तो करना है, अभी क्या आ गया है तो अभी झेलना है. But today I really feel that all the things that you do know, it comes from your heart. This is, I think, biggest achievement of Deva, that he was able to bring that trust in you. I think our meeting was not at that level which got your trust. But today I can feel that, I can really feel that your eyes tell me that you trust now.
Yes, sir, definitely, because I'm like that cat which has drank that hot milk. So whenever I see milk, I am little scared. In the past, experience scares me. But definitely, what
your eyes have changed. Your eyes
sure,
have totally
because,
changed.
No, 100%. I mean, it's a trust, because that's how the team is also performing. Because I should say that glad that I got a wonderful team too, and they're contributing in a great way. Thank you very much. I mean, of course, Deva sir's he has really probably the trust factor he also able to induce in that. Okay, so thank you very much for that. Okay, thanks for noticing that too. Okay, sir.
I notice everything. My only problem is I think too much. Though people cannot figure out from me that I think too much, but I analyze everyone and I put my points very hard in my books.
Thank you.
So we need to close our eyes next when I'm talking to you.
I will confirm that that is true also, sir. What Sandeep was there like that only, because not because of Global Garner, because of his past experience. There is no
whatever it was. When I met him for the first time, Farzana was motivated.
Yeah, she was day one when she met you. She was
100% convinced. But Sandeep's eyes was like, ठीक है, चलो बीवी ने बुला लिया, ठीक है, अभी क्या करेंगे? अभी बीवी the master of the house is calling someone, so ठीक है, अभी करेंगे क्या है? But then slowly and gradually, the way he has grown in the system, and now what I see through his eyes, it is real trust that comes out from his eyes. That is really a good achievement of you, Deva. I think this is your achievement. I can say that
I know the Sandeep and all the team members and all the MCPs, because see, I'm really blessed. There is no doubt, because I know even Arun when he gave the opportunity. So that is the reason, because he is having trust on me. I don't want to lose that trust, because he is having some trust on me. So I wanted to give that. Yes, definitely I'm doing that. And also my all team, they are doing, because of that teamwork only we are doing this. And even whatever the ACP, CP today we are having, maybe it is a small number, but they are all heroes of Global Garner. Definitely they are giving, performing like anything. They are supporting like anything for each and everything.
Okay, sir. Sir, the question is like this. Anyway, thank you, sir. Thanks for that. So the two questions. One is the UPV gets tagged in ascending order. Is that any specific reason it should be in ascending order, or is it like, suppose if in a circle, if I put 23, 124, 364, and like this, so it takes in the ascending order and go to the upper level, right? So is there any particular algorithm behind that, or any logic behind that, or you just kept that, let it be in ascending order?
I could not understand your query.
Suppose just think that you have a UPV number 1, okay, and I'm tagging 6 UPV under that. One is 642, one is 513, and number 5, like this 6 different UPVs I have tagged under it. Okay. So the system, what it does is it automatically takes the lowest UPV number 5 to the extreme left, and then tags next. It goes in the sequential order, right? Is there any logic behind this, or is
it's a simple logic that what we have done is it's a simple logic. If you see at your left, it should be the lowest UPV, and when you see at your right, it should be the highest number of UPV. That is not anything which is very specific. It is just we have kept it should be like this. Extreme left is the lowest number of this thing, and on the right should be the highest number of UPV.
Okay.
Oh, just because of this, Sandeep, wait, one minute, Deva. Just, sir, wait, man. Just because of this, like, even though I generated the UPV first, now I have to wait for another 3 members to qualify for the card. Then only I am eligible.
1 crore also. 1 crore also.
Yeah, of course. Their UPV number were lesser than me.
What do you suggest? Should we?
No.
Those are good. As per whenever it is tagged, you want that.
I think that, sir, that because see, when we are playing this game, when we are going in this number, sequential placing, what happens is sometimes if he is holding a lower UPV, it automatically goes and takes the first position. So, so probably the 1 crore fellow who is
Actually, we never thought any state will specifically do this.
I've told this.
So this is a good point. We can I think we can rectify it. And let me come back to you. Maybe Deva would remind me maybe on Monday.
Okay.
I'll check with my team and then we'll come back to you. Kanisha, please have a note of this.
Okay, this is one question. Second question. One UPV gets placed, and if suppose we are replacing that UPV, earlier that UPV was getting placed again. Okay, but the cashback we used to not get. That was also I'm clarifying. But now have we changed that system? Because after that, when any replacement what we have done, that UPV is not getting tagged into the new circle. Suppose it is telling that you have to start it's your own circle.
So what we have done is first of all, you can tag one UPV only once in any circle.
Okay.
And that too, there is a check either if there is any parent ID or the child ID. If there is no ID and it is not being used any of the in any of the circle, then only it is allowed to be tagged.
It is not happening now, sir. Maybe I told you now. It is not happening now, sir. Maybe some bug. You can just no. Anyway, that is already.
No. It's technical question, sir. Because now without child ID also, if suppose because it happens. See, we will tell our own experience in Karnataka. There are few UPVs which somebody from Madhya Pradesh have tagged, and see suppose 1124 की जगह पे उसने 1134 मार दिया, ऑटोमेटिकली हमारे सर्कल में आके बैठ गया, नीचे बैठ गया है. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम तो यहाँ पे रखते नहीं, हम क्या करते हैं? रिप्लेस कर देते हैं. तो अभी क्या होता है, उनको या तो उस यूपीवी को उनके नीचे भी ऐड नहीं कर पाते हो. तो दैट इज द
एक बार यूपीवी को अगर आपने टैग किया, दोबारा उस यूपीवी को आप कहीं भी टैग नहीं कर पाएंगे, चाहे उसका पेरेंट और चाइल्ड आईडी हो या ना हो. Once it is, there are 3 clauses to a UPV tagging. One, it should be the first time that it is getting tagged. One. Second, it should not have any parent ID or the child ID.
Okay.
And third, once the commission is paid, even if you replace it with another UPV, you will not get money again.
Yeah.
So these are the 3 criteria which we have kept for a My Circle UPV.
Okay, but ये हो रहा था because जब हमने start किया था जून में, this was getting
there
tagged.
was an error that तो उसमें क्या हो सकता था, उसमें possibility जो create हो रही थी वो क्या हो रही थी कि let's say मैंने आज किसी को add किया, उसने भी अपने कुछ लोग add किए, मुझे उनका revenue मिला, और क्या हो रहा था, अब मैंने इस bunch को मेरे से deselect कर दिया. अब ये bunch अभी भी, क्योंकि इसका parent ID नहीं है, ये tag हो रहा था. But what it was giving was कि अब ये हम हर जगह इसका अकाउंट नहीं रख रहे हैं, तो इसका पैसा फिर से जा रहा था उस बंदे को.
Okay.
So if any person who could have smartly played, just like let's say Karnataka is doing, the entire circle is made by one guy, and you all are managing one circle. If that would have been the case, that we have allowed that, we could have never seen where it is happening, and it's a very big circus. In software, if you just think of the coding and everything, it's a really big structure that we have to manage. Therefore, what we have done is we have cut off that thing only. That now, even when there is no facility, there can be nothing can be done, right? Even somebody, let's say somebody is there, why we kept this also with a purpose. Many of the people have told us that why should we ask that person to tag into us? Even people have asked that question also. On which we have answered, let's say today is UPV number 12022. Okay. It's 100, let's say 100 number UPV is generated today. So everybody in the system knows that there would be 101 UPV, 102 UPV. Exactly. So by default, if I have given you an option to tag that UPV,
somebody
you will just do, you will sit on your computer and just keep on doing the guesswork. Correct. And some or the other time it will hit. Right? Okay. So therefore, we have tested many things and then we have rectified, and I think right now My Circle is working very fine to us.
Yeah.
This point of not arranging it in the ascending order or descending order, this can be considered because it doesn't matter to us. Okay. So what we can do is the first one who gets tagged, gets the
He
opportunity
should
first.
retain the position. That position should be retained to him.
I understand that. I totally understand that because I'll tell you, I never thought that this would be done by any single unit.
Okay.
So this can be rectified, and I'll check and come back to you on this.
Right, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks to you.
Sridhar, now if you're happy also, no problem. You can't change now. This is for
I know,
future.
I know. This is the second time mine is happening like this. Okay, no problem. Something is better than nothing. It's always a bright future.
Okay. So anybody want to say anything? Okay, thank you. So yaru illa alla innen illa andre we'll close. Okay.
I have to go to my in-laws place, huh?
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Very important.
Sir, thank you very much,
Thank you,
sir.
Vikas
Because
sir.
actually I asked you for 20 minutes. This is Vikas sir. If Vikas sir is there with us, so we will not see the timing. And also still we have 94 people. Huh?
Don't tell me.
Sir.
Yeah, 94.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Team Karnataka. And
Thank you and congratulations once again to all achievers. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.